Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Tradingview API. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this topic at all. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step will be to select the API option. So what you want to do is to select the API option from the menu, and this is going to take you to the API page where you can access the Tradingview API documentation. Step 2 is going to be to register for an API key. So go ahead and register for an API key to access the Tradingview API. You can use the API key to develop custom trading applications. Step 3 is going to be to use the API to access data. So you can use the API to access data, including historical price data or real-time market data, or as well as user-generated content. Step 4 is to develop custom trading applications. So you can develop custom trading applications using the Tradingview's API. You can use the API to create custom trading bots. You can also create indicators and other tools. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview API. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys